auction you off.
I just got here.
No, can we auction you off with the charity?
He's not good. He's not good. He's about to lose it again.
Stay light, bro. Stay light.
He's good. Don't worry about him. He's just, cat at it.
It's snoring. I gotta focus on that snoring, dog.
Oh. Yeah, that's pretty loud.
Focus, sexy and shit.
Facebook.
Oh, wow. Oh, God.
He started snoring. He's so sick, man. He had to cut some juice.
Yeah.
That's how Duke be snoring.
Yeah.
I think it's time for the stampede. What's up,
What are you
baby?
doing?
Hey, watch your stampede. Watch your stampede through. Watch your stampede through slice. 1, 2, 3.
You tell her I asked about her, okay?
Okay. She's off on Thursday to Friday.
Okay.
Like Wednesday night.
Hey,
Okay.
step 1. 1. Y'all ready? Come on, let's go.
Right on.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness! Oh,
I think he just broke his head.
He gonna wake up ready to go again. Part 3. Round 3. Come on, get up. Let's do it again.
Jay won't let me go.
he's gone. Ain't nothing gonna matter to him.
Hey,
No.
He don't hear nothing like that.
7 footsteps.
Yeah.
I'm still mad.
It hurts.
You need water too? You want some water too?